wanted to make a super fast video to help with the, I don't know, infamous is the word, but terrible squeaking noise on the pedals. I left it dirty so I can show you that my squeak was there. Every time I would hit the gas pedal, it would squeak so bad, it drives me crazy. I actually had to start playing with headphones. And I have taken it apart and done this and got lost in the years past, but I figured I can make a super fast, quick video. What I used was Q-tips, and I used, let me see, this is a chain lube. And simply put, I put the chain lube or some kind of greaser on like the Q-tip end, and then right here, so here's the spring, and right here, that's where the squeaking noise is making contact. As you can see, as you bend it, this is staying perpendicular to this, but the pedal is actually rotating on it. So I'm lazy, be real. So like I said, I put like the grease on the Q-tip, and then I would dab it I'd put quite a bit on there, and then I would just kind of rub it on there to make the lube fall down in between here. As you can see, the grease has penetrated. It's all through here, and I just rubbed it over here, let it fall down. I did it on the same side, let it fall down, and then squeak's gone. There's no more squeaky. All right, hope that helped.